Hello Ride-On people. Now, I was the first in the world to break the news that there was a recall for the Ducati Multistrada V4 engine, and then I was the first in the world to break the news that the Harley-Davidson Pan America would have active suspension that would lower when coming to a standstill. And now I'm breaking a third piece of global news. The feds have approved active cruise control and blind spot monitoring for the Ducati Multistrada V4, and so if you have one of those, speak to your dealer now. Should be able to invoke it. It will cost about $850, I believe, plus tax, plus labour, so call it $1,000 all in, but speak to your dealer anyway, and hopefully you can get those safety features invoked on your bike as soon as possible.
Hey you, if you want to become one of the Ride-On people, don't forget to subscribe. Ride often, ride carefully, ride on.